If you've ever typed something into ChatGPT and got a boring or confusing answer, that's not because AI is bad. It's because your prompt wasn't good enough. That's exactly what prompt engineering fixes. Hello, I'm Oluwatosin and I'll be walking you through this prompt engineering series. By the end of this video, you'll know how to write prompts that will make AI work like your personal assistant, content creator, or even your teacher. Let's start simple. Prompting is just you telling AI what to do. You can think of it like giving instructions to a chef. If you tell a chef that you want rice, you're probably gonna get white rice and stew. But if you tell the chef, cook spicy fried rice with chicken, vegetables, and make it look like a restaurant dish, the chef would definitely give you something 10 times better than rice and just stew. That is exactly what prompting does for AI. The clearer you are, the better the output. So a prompt is simply the instruction or the question you give the AI. But not all prompts are equal. A bad prompt is just like saying, write me something. A good prompt is structured, and that's where the framework comes in. I use a simple framework for writing powerful prompts. It's called TCREI. Let's break it down. Task, context, references, evaluate, iterate. Task. Task is in two places, personal and format. Task tells AI who it should be and how it should respond. A bad prompt would be explain photosynthesis. Now a good prompt with task. You are a science teacher explaining photosynthesis to a 10-year-old. Use simple language and bullet points. Can you see how different that feels and sounds? Task sets the role and the format. Now let's go to context. Context gives the AI more background so it knows exactly what you want. Without context, write me a story. But with context, write me a bedtime story for a 5-year-old about a cat who wants to fly. Make it 100 words max. Now the AI knows who, what, why, and how long. And to the next one, references. References gives examples, so the AI knows the style you like. Without reference, write a motivational speech. But with reference, you can say write a motivational speech in the style of Denzel Washington's Fall Forward speech. You just made a reference to the style of motivational speech you want. You have to understand that AI learns from your references just like humans do. And to the next one, evaluate. Once you get your output, don't just accept it. You have to check. Does it meet your need? If not, tweak it. And last on my list, iterate. Iteration is the magic. You can tell AI this is nice, but make it shorter or add some humor just like you are editing drafts. The more you iterate, the better the result. Now let's combine everything that I've explained so far. A basic prompt will be write about climate change. But a prompt following the framework I just gave you would be, you are a professional climate scientist writing an article for high school students. Use simple explanation, write 3 real-world examples. Keep it under 300 words and write in the style of National Geographic. Can you see the difference? That's the power of prompt engineering. So the next time you think AI is bad, check your prompt first. Great prompts equals great results. Let me know in the comment section the worst prompt you've ever typed into ChatGPT and the response you got. If you enjoyed watching this video, make sure you subscribe and turn on the notification so you get notified when I post part 2 of this series. I'll see you on my next one, and bye for now.